Let's go, guys. It's Vauxhall TV. What I'm doing this time round is I hope everybody's alright out there. Coronavirus, everything's spiking up again. But stay strong, stay safe. What I've got here, I've got a 2012 Vauxhall Corsa. And I'm going to do it, I would say, not an easy job, okay? Slightly tricky. I know it sounds like an easy job. I'm going to change the headlight bulb on it, which on any other car, dead easy. 5 minutes. This one, slightly tricky. Okay, come on, let's do it. Okay guys, on the older Corsa, the same Corsa D, but the older one, you get to it through the wheel arch cover, okay? This one, slightly different. Okay, you can do that, you can take the wheel arch cover off, but no point because it's got no flap underneath it. On the other one, it will have a flap underneath there, get your hand in there. This one, it's there, I can just about get my hands in there, but which is a tight squeeze and it's a little struggle and things like that. So what I'm going to do is, dead easy, take this air filter box off. One Jubilee clip there, or if you want to take it off from there, you can take it off from there, and that's about it. That should come straight off. Basically, it's on these rubbers. You pull it to one direction, it should come off. Let's do that. Okay, guys, my bad. I mean, to make our life a lot easier, if you want to struggle, you can struggle. I've took that Jubilee clip off. That comes off. Took the bottom pipe off there. That's off. I'm going to take these off, these Torx 25, one there, one there, one there, there. Take them off, take them four off, top half of the air filter box will come off, then we can just pull the bottom half off. Right, the thing is, I'm doing the driver side, the side with the, I'm in UK here, and I'm doing the driver side, the side where the air filter's on, okay? The side without the air filter, right, there's no other option. You just have to get your hands in there. Let me just switch the camera around. You just have to get your hands in there and replace it that way. You know, I know it's a tight squeeze, but you can just about get your hands in there and replace it that way. On this side, you can do it that way as well. Get your hands in there, as you can see there, and get my hands in there. But because I'm going to show you guys, and on top of that, make our life a little bit easy. It's only a few little screws. Let's take the air filter box off, and we'll go from there. There we have it, guys. All the boxes, everything is off. Come in two halves. Basically take the top half off, bottom half goes into these little grommets here. Slide it off there, lift it off there. Happy days, job done. Well, as far as the air filter box is concerned. Right, let's get to the bulb. The bulb, obviously, it's in there. It should have a cover, but for some reason this one doesn't have a cover. The bulb's in there, okay? Alright guys, I don't know if you can make it out there, but I've got the clip, I've got the long nose pliers on the pins there, just about there. So all I'm going to do is just give it a little pull. There we go, just pull it. Very hard to show you guys and do it at the same time. And there we have it. One bulb off, just about caught it on the pins. Let's get the new one on. When we're putting the bulb on, it goes on like that. The pointer goes on the top, and that's it. Happy days, let's do it. Alright guys, as you can see there, I've got the bulb back on exactly the same way as I took it off. You can put it on with your fingers actually, just push it straight on. Taking it off, obviously a little bit of force required. And yeah, so as you can see there, I've got the switch back on, the plug that is. I've got the plug back on, I've got the headlight bulb back on. What we're going to do now is, before I go putting the air filter and everything back on, I thought I'll just try it, because it'll be awful shame you put everything back on and the bulb is faulty, and you know, it can happen. Even if it's a new bulb, it can happen. Let's try it. There we have it guys, all on, done and dusted. Happy days. What I'm going to do now is, dead easy, fit all this air filter box back on, the pipe and everything, this pipe here, remember, put all that on, and that's it. That's it guys, that's how we replace the headlight bulb on a 2012 Vauxhall Corsa. You can see me, right? On the older ones, you have to get it through the wheel arch. The wheel arch, there's a little flap on the wheel arch. You have to, you know, take it off and replace it that way. This one, you have to get it from the top, okay? Hope that helps you guys out. I hope I showed you guys properly, because I couldn't really get the camera in there, and the show you guys at the same time, you know, because my hand's in the way. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps you guys out. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon. Rahul TV out.